In this video, I am going to show you how to join the Bitget referral program. It offers rewards in trading bonuses to users who invite their friends to join and trade cryptocurrencies on the platform. Here is a breakdown on how the referral program works. The program rewards users who invite their friends to join Bitget and trade cryptos. The more active referrals a user has, the greater the rewards for the referrer. The referral system operates on flexible conditions and a straightforward mechanism, ensuring transparency and no surprises for users. To participate in the referral program, referrers must inform their referred friends to use their referral link or ID when opening a Bitget account. To access your referral link, you can hover to the 9-patch icon at the top left corner of the platform and click on Referral Program. Your Bitget referral ID or code is a unique identifier. It allows users to join Bitget as referrals. Rewards are distributed once referred users complete their KYC, make their first deposit, and their trading volume surpasses certain threshold. Additional rewards are granted as their trading volume grows further. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.